Hey Kitsters, let's dye and dye. These are the amazing items you get in this DIY kit. You get 6 amazing dye colors. All you have to do is pour water in them and shake it and mix it well. Repeat the same step for all the 6 colors. Once done making the dye colors, we'll move on to the fun part. Repeat the steps from the technique 1 of making alternate folds on equal halves of the t-shirt. Once repeating the steps, start folding the t-shirt into alternate square folds as shown in the video. Once achieve equal size square folds, tie the t-shirt tightly using the given rubber bands. Again, done tying, start dyeing. Choose the color of your choice and pour it on all sides of the t-shirt. Wash the dyed t-shirt under running water to remove excess dye. Dip the washed t-shirt into fixing solution for 5 to 10 minutes. Post the fixing bath, untie the t-shirt to unfold the beautiful pattern.
At home with our DIY tie-dye kit. Link in description.